Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use your own voice in Riffusion. In order to do so, here we are at riffusion.com. And in order to use your own voice, what you're going to want to do is come up here to the top in the generate box, and you're going to see this little icon here with the cloud and the arrow in it. If you click on that, this is going to open up and it's going to allow you to upload a file. And with Riffusion, you do need to upload a file from your device. So unlike something like Suno, for example, where you can actually record your voice directly, that is currently not an option in Riffusion. Now, it might become something that they add later, but for the time being, the only thing you can do is you can upload something. However, the results are not that great yet. Now, it's possible that you might get better results if you upgrade. So if you're on the free plan, you basically are only getting basic generations. But with the starter plan and the member plan, you get access to new features. So it's possible that this is something that they're going to add later on. But for the time being, the only thing that you can do is you can upload your audio, but the results are kind of iffy. So I'll show you an example here. We could just scroll down and let's see which one it is here. Further down. I think it's this one here.
This is as good as it gets. This is as good as it gets. Check your expectations, try not to stress, so this is as good as it gets.
So there you can see it did grab my voice and it did pull something out of it. I did specify that I wanted this to be in a jazz style, but that's the most that I can pull out of it. So what I have found with Riffusion is that you're going to get a better result if you upload something that has music with it already. If you're just uploading your own vocals without any music, then you're not really going to get great results, unfortunately. That's something that they could be working on, and maybe in a future update, they'll be able to refine that. I would say that if you're looking to upload your own voice, then Suno is probably a better bet. But if you do want to use Riffusion, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to upload a file with your singing on it, and it has to have something that has music on it already. And then from there, what you can do is you can use the cover option. Let's see here if I can find that. I don't seem to be able to find that at the moment. Let's try clearing things out here. Okay, so I'm looking here for okay, here we go. So we have the remix option. So if you see here, then you have the cover option, and this is basically what you're going to have to do. If you have a song with your vocals on it, then you can create a cover of it. But the thing is that Riffusion does have a tendency to change the way that your voice sounds, and that's kind of the example there that I showed you. It sounds a little bit like me, but it doesn't sound exactly like me. So you're going to get somewhat mixed results when it comes to Riffusion, and my recommendation is that you have music already, but just bear in mind that the results are going to be mixed and you might not get something that actually sounds like you accurately. So I think that personally, you're better off using Suno at this time, but keep an eye out with Riffusion and see if that is an option that they update later on. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.